Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, my mom called me over to her house and asked me if I can go through her stuff with her and declutter one of her dressers and help her get organized.
Hi, I'm Shannon's mom. I'm back again. This is my third time of kind of decluttering, organizing. I have a dresser full of stuff, all my stuff, and then I have another dresser over here and down there. And then it's grown to another room and I have another dresser with stuff in it. So what I want to do, I was looking through my stuff, and last time I decluttered, I actually have a lot less in all these drawers. So now I have a little bit all over the place. So what I was thinking, I thought, oh, we just get rid of this big thing. So I told my husband, I'm going to get rid of that and I'm going to condense everything. He says, why would you get rid of it? All my clothes are under the bed. He's going to get that dresser over there. I'm going to take all my stuff out. Okay, so everything's gonna come out of this dresser. See, there's not a lot. These are tank tops. These are sweatshirts that I don't really wear, but I'm gonna go through them. Christmas. Of course, you gotta have Christmas. These are my bathing suits. And now, get ready. This is the $1 million drawer. All of the expensive bras I used to wear. I've been hanging on to them thinking, I'm gonna lose weight. I've got so much money invested in bras. You have all these wacko bodysuits that hold everything in.
That's painful.
Portfolios of art. What happened was I found an extra drawer, so I put all my art in there. So that's gonna come out. And the bottom drawer is video camera, and look, VHS tapes. We don't even have a VHS player anymore. Okay, so in my younger years with the younger family, and we used to go racing, and I was the videographer historian, so I had a little video camera that only goes with tapes, and so now it's not digital, so now I would have to convert it all to tapes. So I don't want to do that. I'm all digital now, so I'm going to have to get rid of this camera and clean this drawer out. Stuff for the TV. We don't even have that TV anymore.
It's completely empty now. As my mom just described, she has way too many bras that don't fit anymore and undergarments she's never going to wear ever again. So we're just gonna go through that real quick. And
Spanx.
She just said, oh, I'm wondering if I'm ever gonna use a slip again. And I said, my tip was just keep one of each item if you feel you might use it. If you find you're not using it or wearing it, then go through again and just declutter again.
Get rid of it.
Another idea is to just count how many you normally use within a week, or how often you do your laundry. So if you do your laundry every week, you know you only need that many undergarments for maybe a week and a half if you go on vacation, and then declutter everything else.
Here, look, that's
oh gosh, and again, I never take things from people when they offer them to me. But I have a slip.
I'll get rid of that one. It's too short for me.
Okay. You wear them, or?
I don't think I've worn them for a long time.
That's another thing. If I find something in my own home that I don't even know where it came from or what it is, I normally get rid of it. So are you giving yourself a limit, or what's your
These
thinking?
I think are all gonna go.
Okay.
So this is all one style. I think I should put
I know this sounds crazy, but if they're brand new and no one's ever worn them, maybe ask, do you have any friends that would maybe wear
I see
them?
people selling bras on eBay.
Oh, really?
Used bras.
Well, you could try, because these do look brand new and never been worn. She just looked through everything. She's decided she's getting rid of all of these extra bras that were kind of backup in case she lost weight or gained weight. So they're all going, and all the under things are going because she's not going to use them. She's just going to keep 2 slips. Just
two slips, black and a white.
For the last 2 minutes, we've been discussing where things should go and how they should go. And what she just said to me is, this bottom drawer right here is completely empty, and what we've decided to do is put the stuff that she doesn't use very often down in this bottom drawer, so she doesn't have to get down into it very often. We're gonna do Christmas sweaters and off-season stuff. It's now summer. And then also some of the long underwear and slips that she doesn't use very often. Pretty much what she showed me was there's about 1 or 2 items in each one of these drawers, so we're just gonna try to consolidate, I
Yes.
guess, and make it more organized.
See, I have a thing. When I put something in place, I moved into the house 30 years ago. I set something somewhere and it never moves for 30 years. The same thing. It's like, why is that there? It's because I put it there.
I think a lot of people do that.
Yeah, you just never think you can move it. You put something in a drawer.
Here we go. Comment below if you've done that, because I did that in our last condo. I moved in, put everything in the kitchen in certain places, and then it wasn't until I started decluttering, I started questioning, why is this in this drawer? Why is this here? And it turned out it all needed to be reorganized. So
why is my camera and my art in my underwear drawer? Who knows? It just got put there and it never, after 30 years, never moved. So
here we go. Now we're moving it.
yes, yay! What I can do here is move all my sweaters up to one shelf, and then sweaters and sweatshirts, and I'll have an extra shelf. I also have my t-shirt and my walking shirts there. And then over there, then I could put my tank tops in this shelf. There, look at that.
This is what we're talking about. There's only about 3 pairs of socks in there, so we're gonna coordinate those with all the other ones.
Yes.
Pause. She just threw all these random socks in here and said, I'm gonna deal with the socks later. That's full of socks.
I know. There's winter socks, there's short socks, there's long socks. You know, you gotta have a lot of socks.
I just said, let's deal with the socks now, instead of me coming back in, what, 2 more weeks, and then we deal with the socks? Because I think we talked about this last time, but I think we should just pull them all out. Let's just go through them real quick. It'll be fast.
It's overwhelming.
It'll be fast.
There's so many socks. Okay,
Let's do
here
it.
I go.
I'm already here.
Watch me do it. I'm gonna explain what happens. You start off, you're 30, you're 40, then you're 50 and 60, and when you get 60, and you don't wear nylon-y socks with high heels anymore. So, but you keep them just in case one day you might need them.
Is this all your socks, or you have a whole nother batch somewhere else?
I have the socks I actually use in the other
So
room.
none of these you use.
In the winter I use those.
Okay, let's really limit this then. Like you said, 1 beige, 1 black of the nylon socks, because you already said that. And then let's pick out maybe 2 or 3 winter socks, really warm socks.
Okay.
And in that way, you're going to get rid of all the other ones, because you already mentioned to me that you don't even wear these.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Do you like these?
No, they're too low.
Okay, now let's go through this again. One more time.
I thought we did.
You told me we have a whole other drawer full.
Well,
Okay,
those-
so let's just make sure you're going to want all these.
Okay.
From a whole bin to this.
Yay.
So how long did that take to go through that sock drawer?
About 10 minutes.
The question is, did you wear any of those scarves since the last time we decluttered?
This one I don't think I've ever worn, but I don't know where I got it. Unless I'm going to Alaska or something, I probably don't need it. It takes up a lot of space. Is this now or is this 20 years ago?
It's definitely not now, but
Should I get rid of it?
it's up to you if you wear it, if you like it.
I'll get rid of it and never wear it. This is something I bought years ago and I never ever wear it. Okay, I'm finally decluttering. I am serious decluttering. Okay, these are nylons just in case. Just in case you have to wear nylons. You go to a party, they say you have to wear nylons.
That's going, these socks are going, these bras are going, and these suck 'em up things are going.
Yeah, look, there's the rest of the bras.
Perfect.
So now they can move down to the undie drawer.
Wow.
That's all I need. Look, I went from 500 bras to
You
10.
might be going to minimalist.
Like I said, when this coronavirus is over, I'm shopping.
This is empty. This is empty. This one we emptied. And this whole dresser is now empty. We just finished going through everything, decluttering everything, and then reorganizing it in a really good way that makes more sense.
Yes.
We were just talking right now about how important it is to always revisit different areas of your house every, 6 months, a year or something, because there's always more that normally you can get rid of or realize that you're not using as much, or maybe it's worn out. And I think you're a really good example of that. Because
the seasonal change too. The season's changing. It's summer now.
Yeah.
Put the pants away. Bring the shorts out. All the pants I don't wear anymore. All the socks I don't wear anymore. get rid of them because they were a burden in my mind. I'd look at the drawer and I'd just close it and pick out the few I wore. So it's good. It feels good to get rid of them, and I know that if I have to, I can go buy more. But I don't have to.
Because you still have quite
I know.
a few, yeah.
I don't need to, but just knowing that, like, oh, I won't ever have socks again. Okay, that won't happen. And I also want to say thank you to all of the people who watch Shannon and have all those nice comments to say when I'm on. I really appreciate it. It's very sweet.
Aww.
Hey.
And I'm so happy my mom could be back in the videos again because we haven't been around each other as often as we would like to be because of this whole virus.
Yeah.
So we're so happy to be back together again. We're part of each other's bubble, so we're not going out with other people, but we've included our little family in the bubble of people that we're interacting with. So that's why she's back at our house and back in the videos. So we're so happy about that because we missed having Grandma around. And
crazy time.
Yeah, it is.
But we want to get back to normal or better than normal.
Yes, but we're staying safe and we're still wearing masks whenever we go out and go anywhere.
Yeah.
So
Definitely.
Just want to say that, and then thank you so much for joining me today and having my mom here as the guest star. And I have a whole playlist below with Decluttering with My Mom series, so you can find that down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. With the COVID mask. These black nylon socks, what are they doing? Well, I go through a pair a day when I walk every day.